Okay, this is just a quick one. This is a Carrier Weathermaker 8000. Let's see, what does that say? 5.8 WAV. It's a 1997 vintage that was reporting in air code 31. And we just had a wicked windstorm the other night, and I've had this happen before where you get a downdraft and it plugs things up. So what I did was, on this pressure switch, I pulled off this hose. Actually, I pulled off the other end of it first, which is attached to, I'll just pull this off. Let's see, can we see that? Where's my hand here? Yeah, this metal nipple. And if you give this this hose a little bit of a suck and a blow there, you'll hear this pressure switch going in and out, which means it's working. Next thing I did was I took, where are we here? Q-tip, cut the end off a Q-tip. And I pushed it in this hole, and there was a blockage in there. So I just gave it a little push, cleaned it out, reattached the hose. And that's all it needed.